Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve multiple bags and colored ball problems on probability. Here, bag B1 contains 4 white and 2 black balls. Bag B2 contains 3 white and 4 black balls. A bag is drawn at random and a ball is chosen at random from it. What is the probability that the ball drawn is white? So here we have two bags and each contains white and black in different numbers. So the probability of picking bag B1 is 1 by 2, as we have two bags. Picking one bag is 1 by 2. So here they are asking white ball. So only first of all, the probability of white ball in bag B1 is P of W1 is equals to 4 by 6, which is equals to 2 by 3. Probability of picking bag 2 is 1 by 2, and probability of picking white ball in bag 2 is 3 by 7, as there are 3 white balls and total 7 balls. So here for the total probability, the formula is probability of bag 1 into probability of white ball from bag 1 plus probability of bag 2 into probability of ball picking white ball in bag 2. So that is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 7, which is equals to 23 by 42, which is the required probability. Suppose a bag B1 contains 2 white and 3 black balls, and another bag B2 contains 3 white and 4 black balls. One bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is found black, find the probability that ball is chosen from bag B1. So here they are asking the ball found is black and which is also from the bag B1. So first of all, the probability of picking bag B1 is 1 by 2. Probability of picking black ball from bag B1 is P of B1 is equals to 3 by 5, as there are 3 black balls and total 5 balls in the bag B1. Probability of picking bag B2 is 1 by 2, and probability of picking black ball in bag 2 is 4 by 7. So here they are asking the black ball is taken and it should be from bag B1. So the formula is here they are asking from bag B1. So probability of bag B1 into probability of taking black ball in the bag B1 divided by probability of bag B1 multiplied with probability of black ball in the bag B1 plus probability of bag B2 multiplied with probability of black ball from the bag B2. So the answer is 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 7, that is equals to 21 by 41, which is the required probability. Here this question is also similar to previous one, but here we are having 3 bags. Bag B1 contains 1 white and 2 black balls. Bag B2 contains 2 white and 1 black ball. Bag B3 contains 2 white and 2 black balls. So one of the bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn. It turns out to be white. Find the probability that it came from bag B3. So here they are asking they are drawn white ball and it should be from the bag B3. So probability of picking bag B1, B2 and B3 is P of B1 is equals to 1 by 3, P of B2 is equals to 1 by 3, P of B3 is equals to 1 by 3. So probability of picking white ball. So here they are asking white ball. So probability of picking white ball from bags B1, B2 and B3 respectively is probability of picking white ball from B1 is 1 by 3, and probability of picking white ball from bag B2 is P of W2 is equals to 2 by 3, and probability of picking white ball in the bag B3 is P of W3 is equals to 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. So here they are asking the ball drawn should be from bag B3 and it should be white. So the probability is equals to probability of bag B3 into probability of white ball picking from the bag B3 divided by, it is as usual, probability of bag B1 into probability of white ball in bag B1 plus probability of bag B2 into probability of white ball in bag B2 plus probability of bag B3 into probability of white ball in bag B3. So the answer is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So after solving this, we'll get the answer as 1 by 3. So which is the required probability.